Dangshan Wangqing Food Stop. So nagdi-display lang sila ngayon. Naghahanap sila ng distributor. What is that?
Sabarin muntot.
Ah, ayun oh. Oh, okay. What is this, ma'am?
Abalone, ikan.
What country?
From China.
China.
Yes.
Radyo lang. Yung sauce niya siguro.
Tao na Canada.
Nice.
Our product is abalone and then we cook in a different way.
Okay.
Yes.
This na magluluto ka anong klaseng luto, basta isang ano lang siya.
This one, how to cook?
This one,
Steam?
This one is just in can.
And can?
Ready to
Oh, ready to eat. Messi. Whoa. Is this available in mall? Not yet.
That's why we are still looking for the agent or distributor.
Distributor.
In the Philippine market.
As of now, this is only for display.
Yes, for display,
Okay.
for the launching.
For launching for your products.
Yes.
Nice. Tastes so good, ah.
Thank you.
So this is the actual one, no?
Yes, this one is uncooked.
This uncooked.
Yes.
This is the actual and this is the finished product.
Yes.
Okay. Instagram.
Yes.
Okay. I just follow. I just tag this video to you. Okay. Thank you. This is most expensive tahong. Tama ba? I uploaded in Facebook. Okay. I like the taste. Okay.